how to download older versions of Blender software officially. So if you want to download older versions of Blender software, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you can go with search for Blender and go with www.blender.org, and here you will have download option, right? You just need to simply scroll down to find the older versions. Scroll down to the last, and here under the fourth option you will have previous versions. Click on the previous versions, and here you will have download any Blender. So click on it, and here you will have your version. And from here, as you can see, that you will have all of the versions. You can scroll down and then find any version that you're comfortable with. Click on the version, and after that you will have a download option. You just need to simply click on the Blender version and you'll be able to install it. As you can see on the top right, it has started the download. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.